Hi guys, you're doing fruitcake run. Wala pang sprout kasi I'm so poor.
It's okay. I have all the tools now. That was my dream.
You started the game
First, then we have all the mention of all the things.
I do not!
Look at me, baby.
Let's heal each other.
Ano, tell me if there's
Is Akala ko ba
tell me if there's tapes. I'll distract if you need me to.
distract?
Okay.
No, not yet.
Ay, ayan.
Stupid.
You want me to kill you?
No.
Good.
I forgot to equip. I forgot to equip Tinker Hat.
Dali, Tinker.
Oh,
Tinker Bell. That's right.
Yung Tinker Hat and accidentally Toodles is chasing me now.
Heal me.
I forgot to change my What to change? Cats.
Yay, finally I got Sprout.
Be, wag ka muna mag-distract. No, okay, wait, where are you? Where are you? Oh, wait, I'm on cooldown. I'm on cooldown. Is that a tape?
What? You grab a tape!
I thought it was a candy!
Don't grab a tape.
Sorry!
You're gonna get a punishment. You'll get a punishment. I'm not saving you this time. I already killed you.
That's so stupid. So sad. But at least I can do the skill checks perfectly. I can do great jobs and okay, now that's just they jinxed me. Fucking jinxing me.
Heal me.
Okay. Oh, a gumball. I like gumballs. I hate it. Oh, shrimp ball. Dude, palagi siyang chat ng chat sa G's. Nakakainis. Ang ingay nila.
There is a owl in the room.
Hindi ka pala nila inad sa GC ba?
Wait.
Inad ba ikaw sa GC? I think they hate you.
I hate them too.
Parehas lang tayo ng ugali at saka mga fandoms, but they hate you more than me. Simple. Don't worry, I'm on cooldown.
I hate them. They hate me. Fuck them.
They love me, but I'm the same version of as a girl. But they hate you.
Fuck you.
Parang mas hate nila yung boys kaysa sa girls, no? Kasi I'm just a girl version of putang inang Toodles
I saw that.
Putang inang Toodles.
Toodles is chasing you.
I swear, this rabies kid.
I love fruitcake.
This I love fruitcake too, but I hate the fruitcake toxic fandom.
Yeah, they only use it for fame. Like you dirty stuff. I hate that.
May nakita ko isang video.
I hate people who like. I love
Help me.
everything. What? Wait.
Do that.
Okay.
Can't do it
Tell me
anymore.
if there's a tape.
I only found one tape and I took it. I accidentally took it. I thought it was a candy or something. Like a new candy. Is that a band-aid? Oh wait, no, it's not. Did you just Shrimpo is running, so you better hide.
I hate
May nakita akong may nakita akong
I don't want you. Get out of here. I hate your punch.
may nakita akong video.
Don't stop yapping.
Ikaw nga, hindi ko pa nga nasasabi yung nakita ko sa TikTok.
Stop yapping.
Bro.
Why did they keep texting? Did they love you or something? Did they want to fudge you?
No, it's a JC. It's a...
Mama! Mama, help me! BBJ! A child is chasing me!
No.
It maybe has
Ew.
red part.
It might be wet. It might be wet. Because you keep drinking that Coke.
Alam ko.
Oh, who did this?
Me! You actually! You!
Okay. Oh, let me bite it actually. I don't even know what they do.
You grab all the tapes!
I don't-
Give me tape!
No, I didn't grab tapes. I got the tapes from machine.
A bigger forehead.
I got the tapes from the machine. I got tapes from machine. Did they stop recording or no? Okay. Medkit. Found it. Did you just say Drake? Is that... Babe, dalawang medkit!
Wait, what?
Whose last did we
Can I have
stole?
it?
No! I'm a healer.
Oh, it's pen. I hate pen.
Wait, kailangan ko i-use yung ano ko.
I hate pen. Fuck pen.
Ay, putang ano ah.
Stop staring at the distance.
Wait lang, akin yung medkit ko eh.
Force.
Ay, sorry. Boy.
Not a guy. Ouch!
But you are.
Oh, I meant it. I wanna grab it.
I grabbed it. Bleh. Let me finish that machine as well.
Neon puso na test. Para kay 4K. Kayo mo. Ay, kata. Kaya natin. Oh, tape. Oh, I should've grabbed the freaking tape.
That's so
Oh, I was dying.
Neon din sa may test. Very complex.
I hate strawberry cookie.
Oh, the ginger.
Yeah. I mean, I thought they hated each other. But I don't support them. But I hate
So slow.
I hate Cosmo getting break like Marilyn Martinez.
Ano, may nakita akong video na inaano din si Cosmo. Parang she's getting
Please heal
big.
me, I'm at one.
I swear, if you leave that twisted to me. I'm not healing you after this. Finding machine.
Mama, Sita! Where is...
Be, alam mo, may feeling ako parang ginagawa ni yung JC ginagawa nila akong ano. Parang
Backup thing.
hindi, parang use nila lang ako. May feeling lang ako eh.
I never use you.
I know, parang use nila talaga ako. Kasi pag sa GC, pag nag-chat ako, it's like they don't even care. Like, pag si Sherlyn, they always chat right directly. Pero pag ako,
I hate them.
tapos sinabi ko lang na,
Fuck them. I
sinabi,
wish they died.
in-invite ko sila sa birthday ni Irish, walang sumagot.
Ako lang.
They literally hated me.
Ako lang.
I know.
And the one in this room.
I hate everyone. Fuck them.
Yeah, I'm a fuck them.
Oh,
But not the girls.
parang ginagamit nila ako.
I hate them!
Parang kasing ako lang yung therapy friend nila, no?
Or maybe you're using me.
I'm not using you, bitch.
Girl! Stop messing!
You know, may, yung instruction.
No, you're still...
I know.
You said you get perfect.
Well, I jinxed it. You know, I can...
Stop!
Is that Britney's light?
Dance together.
Shit! si Finn kasi black siya. Kasi pa, hindi nga kasi black yung fishbowl niya. At saka nasa darkness siya. Tapos di ko siya nakita.
He's a nigger. Don't hit me. Don't eat that.
Oh.
Hindi, tulugan.
Oh. What if it went black out?
I won't see you.
Oh, hell na. Oh, hell na.
After this, then take
Anong okay. I see. Well, ano ako? Anong character nag-pipiliin? Ay, sorry.
Hindi kinuha ko talaga. Oh my god!
I didn't mean to. Can you find me a band-aid?
I wanna make face.
Sometimes I hate pag naging Cosmo ko tapos may duplicate pa.
Ayun na eh.
Kasi low ako at kailangan ko talaga ng medkit. Sabi ng player, Cosmo medkit. Let me speak on my own language. Cosmo medkit. Tapos kinuha ng other Cosmo yung medkit pero full heart siya.
Oh gosh!
And he never hit.
Go here.
Okay, wait. I'm just finishing my... Come here.
You come here.
You keep moving! Oh, thank you.
Don't touch things. I got hit again. I think no.
I'm on cooldown. I'm on cooldown. Sorry. Well, put it Cosmo's cooldown on 50, not even a 30.
I'm lagging.
I wanna 30.
Girl, no.
Keep seeing me. By the way, we need to stop recording because I need to tell you something. Okay? Bye.